try to make a temporary cover, but it does not work. I have no choice. I have to close the main pipe, remove all the dirt, all the temporary solution, and apply the main solution. Now I know something wrong with my tank. You can see the water keep on flowing. So I was thinking it was overflow. No, it's not. It's leaking. Two tank here. I tried to off either one, but it does not work because this is where the water comes in and this is where the water comes out and goes into the pump. I have to shut down everything and drain the tank. Now I will release all the water into our pool. I drained the pool earlier because I don't want our Hari Raya to be spent in the pool. I release the water into the pool. This is contingency plan. I need to drain the water as fast as possible so I can apply and the solution will dry the soonest so that we can have water tonight. I need to take some tools to make this work. Stop. It surely drained. It's time to work. It's confirmed the water has stopped. Let's do this. Whoa, it's kind of big crack. I'm not sure whether it's worked, but we can try. If not, we have to change the entire tank. We need to make sure the surface is rough so that sticky solution will stick to the tank. I have made a lot of scratch just to ensure that the sticky solution will stick to the tank. We must make sure the surface is dry enough and rough enough to hold the sticky solutions. Yeah. Let's see how it works. So this is what I will use to stick on that hole and hopefully it hold. You just need to mix it up. Okay. Pinch it. Then you can cover it. Make sure you give enough press. solution to make sure it stick and cover up all the hole. Stay strong, boy. Stay strong. So, what do you guys think? Will it work? I will share you in my next video whether it's work or not. This is my first time. Hopefully it's work. Let's see tomorrow whether this solution work or not. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Ciao. So these are the two things that I use. The first one is a silicone tape to cover the hole, and then second is this Sally's epoxy solution, if I'm not mistaken. So it's a cheap one, I think around 5-6 ringgit. So just mix it up and ta-da! Hopefully it's work.